So again, we're interested in computing and interpreting price elasticity of demand. Here we have a demand curve with 2 points, point A, where the price is $5 and the quantity demanded is 10 units, and point B, where the price is $7 and quantity demanded is 6 units. Price elasticity of demand is the percent change in quantity demanded divided by the percent change in price. Once again, we're using the midpoint formula. Quantity demanded, the difference between 6 and 10 is 4 units. 4 units. And the midpoint, 6 plus 10 is 16 divided by 2 is 8. So the midpoint or the average is 8. So the percent change in quantity demanded would be 4 divided by 8. We know that's actually 1/2. So that's the numerator part of our equation. The denominator involves the percent change in price. Price, the difference between 7 and 5 is 2. And the midpoint, or the average, 7 plus 5 is 12, divided by 2 is 6. So that would be 2/6. We can summarize this. 4/8 is the same as 1/2. And 2/6, of course, is 1/3. And this simplifies 1/2 divided by 1/3 would be 3/2 or 1.5. And again, because demand is a negative relationship, we know that this statistic is actually a negative 1.5. As price rises, quantity demanded will fall. Interpreting this, we know that we have, in this situation, a price elastic demand. The absolute value of our statistic is greater than 1. The change in quantity demanded is greater than the change in price. And so we know that consumers in this situation are relatively sensitive or responsive to a price change. When the price changes, we see a fairly large change in consumer behavior in terms of their spending and their buying. Mathematically, we know that for every 1 percentage point in price, 1 percentage point change in price, that is, quantity demanded will change by 1.5 percentage points in the opposite direction. So if price rises by 10%, quantity demanded will, we know it will fall. That's the law of demand. Quantity demanded will fall by how much? By 10% times our statistic of 1.50, clean that up a little bit, will fall by 15%. 15%. And again, this illustrates a price elastic demand.